All right, let's look at number 4. 4 is fun for me because a lot of students get really bent out of shape from number 4, especially B. But let's start with A because we have to start with A. Now, one source of aluminum metal, just getting pure aluminum, is something called alumina. That's aluminum oxide, okay? But it does have a common name, alumina. Determine the percentage composition of aluminum in alumina, okay? First thing we got to do, we got to say, okay, we got aluminum. There are 2 of those. Looking at the periodic table, we got 26.98 oxygen. There are 3 of them. 15.99. Come on, calculator, help me out a little bit here. We have 2 times 26.98. We're going to get 53.96. And then 3 times 15.99. 47.97. Now let's add those things together. Get 101.93. Now, this question is specifically asking us for percent composition of aluminum, so we don't really care about oxygen right now. So we are going to take 53.96, divide that by 101.93. 53.96, divide by 101.93. And so just multiply that by 100 to get it to be a percentage. 52 point, let's see, we want 4 significant figures, so round that up to a 4, 52.94%. That's the percent of aluminum in alumina. Now let's move on to B. How many pounds of aluminum can be extracted from 2 tons of alumina? Oh, wait a minute. I don't know how to do conversion factors with tons and pounds. I mean, the best I know is that 1 ton is 2,000 pounds, but I don't know how to do this. Sure you do. Think about it. Slow yourself down. You have 2 tons. You have 2 tons. That is 4,000 pounds. Fair enough, right? You guys got that. If you have 4,000 pounds of alumina and 52.94% of that is aluminum, you can multiply those together. Okay? So what is 52.94% of 4,000? Not that difficult. So let's get this out here so we can see it. 4,000 pounds times 0.5294. Now, note, yes, I am reverting back to the decimal form of this. You're going to need to do that when you want to multiply using percentages. Well, you just move that decimal place 2 spots back to the left. Press enter. We get this 2,117.6 pounds. In terms of the significant figures that I want to be using, I want to be using 2 significant figures. Okay? And it's like, well, that has 4, but I want this. Okay? This 2.0, 2 significant figures in the question. I want to use 2 significant figures in my answer. It might seem like we're rounding off way too much, so I need to round to this spot right here. So 1, 2 significant figures. This is 1, so this is just going to go back down to 0. So the answer that I'm going to report here is 2,100 pounds. Wasn't that hard, was it?